Hello and welcome back to the channel. I'm Daisy, and today we are unboxing, reviewing and testing the new machine that just arrived in my studio, the Sielux SL2 Laser Engraver machine. This compact yet powerful device offers speed, precision and AI technology to take your creative projects to the next level. If you ever dreamed of making meaningful, one-of-a-kind gifts, stick around because we're about to explore everything this machine can do. Let's start with the unboxing. The first thing I notice is that it's compact and has a very sleek design. It's ideal for those who need to move their machine around and have limited space. It has an ergonomic handle that feels very comfortable to hold, and a magnetic safety cover that is easy to put on and take off. Included in the box is the Sielux SL2 Laser Engraver, a base with electric riser, protective glasses, tools for assembly, and sample materials so you can start using it from day one. It also includes the power cable, USB cable, and user manual. In a separate box, I also received the rotary accessory, perfect for engraving on cylindrical items like tumblers or thermal cups, which means we're not limited to flat items. And in another box, there was a gorgeous bag full of items perfect for getting started. A jewelry box, 2 insulated tumblers, a magnetic phone card holder, 2 large wooden dies, 2 wooden photo frames, an automatic portable card holder, a stainless steel bottle, a photo album, and a leather tray. Everything is thoughtfully selected so you can start creating personalized projects or unique gifts right away. If you'd like to learn more about the Sielux SL2 laser machine, I'll leave the link below in the description of this video. Now let's get to assembling the machine, but first I want to show you all the accessories again, now out of the box. Here I have them ready so you can see in more detail everything that's included. These are the materials that come with it, so you can start creating and testing the machine right from the start. You'll see it's super easy to use from the beginning. This engraver can also be used in mobile mode, simply by holding the handle. So as the first step, I'm going to attach the magnetic laser shield. Then we'll connect the USB cable from the port labeled USB 1 to the smoke exhaust fan, and also connect the power cable to the outlet. And that's it. The laser machine is now ready to begin creating our first engraving. Let's power it on, and then we'll move on to downloading the app to our phone. As you can see, my machine is now ready to be connected to the app. Go to your phone's app store and type in Sielux to find the app. Once you find it, download it to your phone and open it. Tap Allow when prompted. Now we're in the app. Tap on Profile and create your account using your email. We can use designs from the Sielux gallery. They have a wide variety of beautiful designs that you can use to create personalized items for any occasion. They are very easy to use and great for getting started with different engravings. But if you prefer to use your own images, tap Album, then tap Album again, select your image, and upload it. You can resize or crop it as needed. I tapped Crop at the bottom of the app and used the corner handles to crop it to my liking. Then tap the arrow to confirm the crop. Next, I adjust the size using the corners again. I'll be engraving this design on a leather tray. I place the machine over the area where I want the engraver to go, select leather as the material, and for the parameter setting, I choose leather coaster, which works for this type of engraving. Before engraving, tap Preview Engraving to ensure proper alignment. Once it's aligned, tap Engrave to begin. And now we're doing our first engraving with the new Sielux SL2 laser machine. And the result, it's beautiful. The engraving is super quick, and here it is. We just created a gorgeous personalized gift. As you saw, I made this first engraving in a standard manual mode, and it was very straightforward. In the same way, we can engrave different items. For example, here I'm going to customize this shipping box by placing my logo in the bottom right corner. Just place the laser machine on top, upload your design through the app, select the appropriate settings, in this case for coated paper, frame the area and send it to engrave. And that's it. Now I have a custom branded shipping box. You can even engrave inside the box if you want. It's a unique detail that adds great value. Now let's move on to create engravings using the automatic lift platform. But before that, I'll show you how to assemble it step by step. We place the base together with the vertical column and screw it firmly to the base. Then we place the laser machine on top. Next, we connect the remaining USB-C cable to the lifting platform, and it's ready to begin engraving with more precision. I'm going to do a photo engraving on this wooden frame. Let's place the item, then turn the knob left to lower it and right to raise it. Now I'll go into the app to upload the photo I'll be engraving, straight from my phone's gallery. For material, select wood, and under parameters, I'll choose wood carving. Then we frame it. And if everything looks good, we send it to engrave. I love how the photo engraving turned out on this wooden frame. It's gorgeous. This photo is of my son, and seeing it engraved in wood makes it even more special. In the same way, we can engrave on other small items like this. And now I'm going to engrave a leather coaster with a monogram. For this design, I used the same settings as the first engraving. Leather coaster configuration. And here it is, a personalized coaster, super quick and with a professional result. I love it. Now it's time to use the rotary attachment to engrave cylindrical items. In this case, I'm going to customize one of the tumblers that came in the orange gift box. First, connect the USB cable from the rotary base to the laser machine. Then, place the rotary platform in position and place your cylindrical item on top. Make sure the surface of the item is aligned horizontally with the bottom edge of the laser shield. You should also confirm that the distance between the bottom of the laser head and the object's surface is exactly 117 millimeters. Next, open the app and upload the design you want to engrave. Crop it if needed to fit the space. Scroll down and select Canvas, then tap Rotation. and enter the diameter of the item, in this case 70 millimeters. Then tap Done. Adjust the size. You can do it on screen or by entering the exact measurements. Tap Next. For the material, select Metal, and under Parameters, I'll choose Military Tag, since it's a similar material. I already tested it and it works. Now we proceed with the engraving. I created this spring floral design directly on the canvas platform. And here it is, the personalized tumbler. Look how beautiful it turned out. Just needs a bit of cleaning and it's done. I like to use a magic eraser sponge. As you can see, these are some of the engravings I made with the new Sielux SL2 Laser Engraver machine. It's definitely a fast, easy to use machine that works right from your phone and is completely plug and play. I love that it's portable and can be used almost anywhere. It adapts to your needs. You can use it manually with the lifting base for precision or with the rotary accessory for cylindrical items like tumblers. Highly recommended if you want to create unique gift on a wide range of materials like wood, leather, metal, cardboard, paper, and much more. If you would like to learn more about this machine, I'm going to link it in the video description down below. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel, and activate the notification bell so you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. Thank you for watching!